Ayun, shoutout po. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Roselski TV. At medyo masama ang pakiramdam natin ngayon. Kasi nilagnat po tayo. Nahuli tayo ng banig kagabi. Ang bihira. Dahil siguro sa klima. Minsan ulan, minsan init. Ang nararanasan natin dito sa Pilipinas. At ayun po, at bago po tayo mag-start, pakisuportahan po ang ama ng Kalingap, Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlogs at Kalingap Rap. At ayun na nga po, ang topic po natin ngayon ay yung naging issue ng Danjoy. At eto po, naglabas na ng statement si girl, si Miss J, tungkol po sa issue na kinasangkutan ng isa nating love team. At siguro matatawag na natin dito na tapos na, pero kailangan po natin ilabas ito para malaman ng mga Danjoy Natics at mga taga-suporta ng Danjoy kung ano po ang naging pahayag ni Miss J dito sa naging issue nga pero iwasan po natin siyang i-bash kasi alam na natin 5 months pregnant po siya at laman naman natin kay Kalingap Dan na talagang ginusto nila at plinano rin na magkaroon ng anak. Noon pa pala talaga may girlfriend na si Kalingap Dan kasi 5 months na yung pregnant, di ba? Yung pinagbubuntis. At yun, ang kamalian lang dito kay Boys, hindi agad niya ipinagtapat na may girlfriend siya. At siguro naiwasan natin na love team kay Joy. Diba? Wala sana ganitong problema. Diba? At naiwasan din sana yung mga pambabash sa bawat isa at lalong-lalo na yung pangbabash kay Kalingap Rab ngayon. At alam natin na maraming nambabas kay Kalingap Rab dahil sa sinabi ni Kalingap Rab dati na ang K-Boys hindi niya ilalabtim yan kung may girlfriend. Doon po nasira ang isang Kalingap Rab. At ayun, eto po at ating papanood sa inyo yung naging statement ni Miss J. Ito po, panoorin po natin.
The palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Hey! Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends retold. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide. sweet, keep it rolling steady. Feel the heat, feel the beat. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Rolling down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Ayy, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves, west side. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. Retro vibes is what we do. Check it out. Putts on the track, got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be. Hey, we riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chilling, blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go.
At ayun po ang naging statement ni girl sana iwasan natin na i-bash siya at wala naman siyang binanggit na masama doon at pagkus talagang kailangan lang talaga ng pang-unawa sa ating mga viewers at sa lahat ng mga Danjoynatic at na fans at ayun po. Hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating konting pagre-reaction dito sa naging pahayag ni Miss J. Ayun. Bye-bye po. God bless po sa lahat.